What is it that is present all around us? We can feel it, but we cannot see it. It is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and it glows. No, it is not a ghost. It is air. Air is present all around us. So, what is the composition of air? Air is an invisible mixture of gases. Mixture, yes. It is made up of mainly of nitrogen, nearly 78%, oxygen, nearly 21%. It also contains water vapor and small amounts, small means 1% around, of other gases. These other gases include carbon dioxide, ozone, helium, and hydrogen. You must have heard about the humidity of air. What does it mean? It's the amount of water vapor present in the air that determines the humidity of the air. Let's talk about the importance of air. Air is very important for animals and plants. All the animals, including human beings, need oxygen to live. They all need this oxygen every minute and second of their life. They take oxygen from air through the process of breathing. The oxygen present in air is used to produce energy from the food that is eaten. In this process, carbon dioxide gets formed, which is breathed out. Oxygen is also required for burning. They need air to live. They use the carbon dioxide present in air to prepare their own food by a process known as, we all know, photosynthesis. They carry out this process in the presence of sunlight.